What's the meaning of bicarb? Bicarb. Bicarb.
Bicarb. Bicarb. Bicarb is a commonly used abbreviation for bicarbonate, which is a salt composed of sodium and hydrogen carbonate. Bicarbonate plays an important role in regulating the body's pH levels, helping to maintain optimal conditions for cellular function. It acts as a buffer, neutralizing excess acids in the blood, and is consequently used as a treatment for metabolic acidosis, a condition in which the body produces too much acid or excretes too little base, leading to an imbalance in pH. Bicarbonate is also used as an antacid to relieve symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. Additionally, it has various industrial uses, including in baking as a leavening agent.